Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about one super clean way that you can upgrade the lighting performance coming out of that 6-inch fog pocket location on the new 4th generation 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Now there's 3 different kits available from Baja Designs that we're going to be talking about in this video, and as usual with everything we talk about in the video, we're going to put links to that in the description of the video, and those links will take you over to Motoroso.com where you can shop with us. You can also reach us there on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. We'd love to help you with mods on your new 4th generation Tacoma. And as you probably know, this new 4th generation Tacoma is a completely new truck inside and out. A lot has changed. On the previous 3rd generation Tacoma, there were 2 3-inch round fog lights in the bumper. Now they've gone to a 6-inch wide bar setup, and they've brought the level of those up a little bit higher on the bumper, which is nice. However, as you would expect with any OEM light, the lighting performance is pretty much the absolute minimum you can expect to get passed by the SAE as a fog light. So that means there's a great opportunity to upgrade to something that's considerably higher performance, more light output, and is going to make sure that you can see in those harsh conditions like snow, sleet, and ice. And the nice thing about the way that they're doing it in this bumper is that it retains a very clean, sleek, and pretty much OEM appearance. Now, of course, as you might expect, there's going to be lots of options for upgrading these fog lights in the future, but this early after the truck releasing, as usual, Baja Designs is leading the charge, and they have already released 3 great options for upgrading this fog pocket kit. We're going to take you through what all 3 of those options are in this video. We're also going to make a separate detailed step-by-step installation guide video to help you see how to install this. We'll put a link to that in the description and right here. So the first thing to cover here is that Baja Designs does not make a 6-inch wide LED light bar, but they do make the S2. And the S2 is a 3-inch wide pod by 1.75 inches tall, making it the perfect candidate to put side by side in this new 6-inch wide location. And of course, as you would expect, each of these kits is going to come with the necessary hardware and wiring to mount it up. It's going to include this bracket to go in that standard location, your S2 brackets that mount to that one, and then it's going to include these adapter cables. Now those are going to go from the lights and plug directly into the OEM harness that's going to allow you to control these fog lights with the fog light switch on the stock, on your steering stock. Now, if you'd like for some reason to wire these into an independent switch that you mount somewhere in the truck, or use your Tacoma auxiliary switches if you got them, then you can definitely do that as well with this kit. You're just going to need to buy a couple of extra wiring harnesses. In the video description, we're going to detail out for those 2 scenarios which additional harnesses that you would need to wire them up that way if you so choose. Now, the major differences between these 3 kits we're going to talk about are going to be the level of light output and the color of the light output. And the first 2 kits we're going to talk about are going to be the new S2 SAE kits. Now, SAE stands for Society of Automotive Engineers, and this is a new product that Baja Designs just rolled out a couple of months ago, and this is a new cutting-edge light that has been actually put through the SAE approval process for street legal use. And that means that in some states where they're a little more strict about using off-road lights, these lights are legal. That means you don't run the risk of receiving a citation for running off-road lights on the road, which, so that's up to you whether or not you care about that. But we're here in California and they are a little bit stricter about it here. So this is what's going to be going in our Tacoma. Now, legality is not the only reason to be impressed by these SAE lights. The lighting element in these things is incredibly unique. And what it results in is an extremely clean, very crisp light output that has a nice even dispersion. And inside that lighting housing, there's an actual cutoff element that's going to make sure that when mounted in the correct location there in a fog pocket, it's going to have a really clean cutoff line where the light doesn't project above that, so you don't run the risk of blinding oncoming drivers, but you get that really potent lighting underneath that line. Now, I've chosen to go with the clear version of these lenses from the SAE pods on my Tacoma, but the second kit that's available comes with an amber lens. And that amber lens is really important if you're going to be encountering high glare situations like snow, ice, sleet, rain, and heavy fog. The amber light is going to perform much, much better because white light can have a tendency to create glare. That amber light's going to make sure you get the visibility that you need. The reason that these lights are sold separately with clear and amber lenses is because to retain their SAE certification, these lights have to remain sealed. So they have to be built up and sealed at the factory factory and then remain sealed. The lenses are not interchangeable, so that just means you need to choose, do you want clear or amber at the time that you purchase this kit. Now, each of these SAE light pods puts out about 1,200 lumens, a little bit over, for a total of 4,800 lumens from this entire kit, which is a lot of light output from an SAE approved fog light. The third version of this kit is going to be the S2 Sport kit, and that contains Baja Design's S2 Sport light pods, which put out a total of 1,580 lumens each for a total of 6,320 total lumens output from that S2 Sport kit. So that S2 Sport kit does put out a little bit more light, and because it is their non-SAE S2 light pod, it does mean that the lenses are interchangeable. Now, it's going to come equipped with clear lenses in their wide cornering pattern on all four lights. That means it's going to spread the light all over the place. But because that's an interchangeable lens, you can swap it out for all amber lenses, or you can mix and match clear amber lenses, and you can also change the light beam pattern. Baja Design sells lenses for these S2 pods in all spot, which means it's totally clear, doesn't diffuse the light, and sends the light far up the trail in a focused beam. And they also make a 50-50 combo lens, and that's going to be half diffused and half spot, sending the light in a nice combination of pattern. So you get more light output with that S2 Sport kit and the ability to customize the lens patterns and colors. But if you want that street legal light, again, come back to either a clear or amber SAE kit like we're going to be installing here. Now, each of these kits do install relatively easily. It's a little bit of a process getting that front bumper off. We're going to make a separate detailed step-by-step installation guide video and link to that right here, as well as in the description of the video. Those are the three kit options that you've got right now for that Fog Pocket location. So we hope you found this video helpful. We'll put links to everything we discussed, including the lenses and the harnesses, in the description of this video. And I'll put a link to this clear S2 SAE kit right here. And if you found this video helpful, please do shop with us. All these links are going to take you over to Motoroso.com. You can also reach us there on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. If you'd like a little more potent, high-performance off-road lighting in that A-pillar location, check out this video right here. We're going to talk about all the Baja Designs A-pillar lights for the new Tacoma. That's a great mounting location, and they look killer as well, and a super easy install. We hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming Tacoma videos, and thanks for watching.